Everywhere I look, I see pain. And every time I speak, I try to speak his name. Oh, this broken world needs to know that no one else is immortal. We're running out of time. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. He's coming for me. Is he coming for you? Oh, we're almost out of time to live our lives for him. He's coming soon. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. He's coming soon. Whoa, oh, 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 no, no. And every time I turn around, somebody's trying to pull me down. Oh, oh, don't they understand there's no time for hate? We should be sharing the love of Christ to our broken world. Oh, oh, instead of trying to tear it all apart. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. He's coming for me. Is he coming for you? Oh, we're almost out of time to live our lives for him. He's coming soon. Whoa, oh, 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 no, no, no. He's coming soon. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Jesus died on the cross for us. Oh, oh, oh. He washed all our sins away. Our sins that couldn't be paid. He was dead, but now he's risen. We're alive and not forsaken. He's coming soon. He's coming soon for all of us. He's coming soon. He's coming for me. Is he coming for you? Oh, we're almost out